Motivation. If you're watching this video right now, it probably means your motivation to draw has dropped.
Wow, so bad. How can you post at this level? You should just quit doing artworks.
2 months ago, some people said that to me. I had just recently restarted drawing and using social media for the first time. On YouTube, I've been lucky to receive really kind comments. Thank you. But when one of my videos blew up on other platforms, I got some pretty harsh comments. Seeing someone write, "Yours sucks," in text, hitting me directly was pretty shocking. I mean, just this aggressive nature of the internet made me so scary of social media. Shocking means that I didn't once think, I want to quit drawing, or I'm so bad I should stop. My motivation never dropped because of those comments. Why? Simply put, I don't draw to get compliments from others. I draw because I enjoy it and would love to. Okay, sorry I started off talking about negative comments, but today I want to focus on something different. Speaking to those of you who may have lost motivation to draw for any reason. My channel is still small, and this video may not reach a lot of people, but if this can cheer up even one person watching, I'll already be super happy. Hi, my name is Mina. I'm Japanese. I really love drawing. In my usual videos, I have this huge little chat giving tips on drawing, but occasionally I like to make chatty videos like this with my art process in the background. If you enjoy it, please support my channel. Now, let's get to today's topic, motivation. What's important for maintaining motivation is having a joyful mindset, self-affirmation, self-rewarding for that, and making an effort to feel daily improvement. Of course, the most important thing is simple enjoyment. As long as there is even a little part of you that thinks, well, drawing is fun, then I believe you can control your motivation. Remembering the fun you had when you first started drawing can be a great way to recapture that feeling. If I could somehow share with you the joy I feel now, that would be amazing though. When someone asks me, "Why do you draw?" I just want to shout, because it's fun. If drawing ever starts to feel like a burden, it might be a sign that you need to focus on taking care of yourself first. Get plenty of sleep, eat something delicious, and take care of yourself. Mental health. But setting aside the discussion about mental health, it happens to feel like I hate my drawings. I can't even look at them. Why can't I draw anything better than this trash? When I feel that way, I do some things, like look at my favorite illustrators' work. I don't look at their work to imitate or study it, but just to admire it, enjoy it. Just thinking, well, this is beautiful, or oh, I love these colors. Simply appreciate it. Don't compare it or try to study it. Just enjoy the beauty. You can also try something simple, like drawing your favorite character in your favorite situation, or look at the drawing you've done it in the past that you really liked. It might remind you, hey, I'm actually pretty good. Actually, I do this a lot myself. Another thing I do is compare my past drawings with my current ones. I think, wow, I've improved a lot, and praise myself. It's really important, I think, to do some self-praise. Look at your old work and think, wow, this is terrible. Then look at your current stuff and be like, well, I've improved so much. Good job, me. Something like that. I do a lot, and it works. It's also a good idea to show your work to others and ask, don't you think I've improved? Hey, look, what do you think? I mean, instead of just asking, look at this, you think is this artwork great? Am I good? What do you think? No, not that. Not that way. Just holding your past work and the latest work and asking, do you think I've gotten better? In that way, you're almost guaranteed to hear something very positive, like, yeah, you've really improved. For someone like me who loves drawing so much that I can keep going without needing the praise from others, it might not be necessary. But if someone ever feels like you need a little encouragement, give this method a try. And if you can make one piece that makes you think, wow, this came out really well, then it will boost your confidence and you'll improve even faster. For me, my latest work is always my best. I'm always like, no, I've improved. This is my best yet. But then 3 days later, I started wondering, why did I think this was so good? Does that happen to you? But anyway, at the time I finished it, the feeling of, okay, I've improved was genuine. What's great about feeling satisfied with your work 3 days ago and then thinking differently 3 days later is that it makes you go, I don't like here, so next time I fix this part, improve that, and try something new. You just keep growing and growing. So thinking, wow, this looks terrible about your own art is not a bad thing at all. It just means there's room for improvement. The only question is whether you can enjoy that process though. For that process, after all, I found myself the number one thing that keeps my motivation up is keep challenging yourself. Whenever I draw, I try to incorporate something different, something I've never tried before. Whether it turns out great or not, it's always fun. If you feel your motivation is dipping a little, I encourage you to challenge yourself to draw something new, just one small thing you haven't done before. You don't have to change your style, just add a little challenge. Like, again today, let's try to draw mechanic. Let's try to draw animals. It's totally fine even if you are really bad at it. You can just laugh and say, okay, I can't draw mechanics. This is terrible. The point of trying something new isn't to draw good, but to have fun. And if you think you're bad at drawing mechanical things, but end up doing better than expected, you might discover a new side of yourself and say, oh, that was actually pretty fun. Finding even one more thing you enjoy is always a great thing. There are many kids who enjoy drawing, so focus on having fun first and take it step by step. Since I've only recently started drawing again, I'm still in the honeymoon phase where I'm not drawing. And I'm so glad I started adding anyway. But a few years down the line, if I lose motivation, I might come back and watch this video myself. Hopefully, hearing myself say, "I love drawing so much, it's so fun," will help me get back on track. And if this video helps someone watching, I'd be so happy. For those of you drawing for your own joy, not for someone else, keep drawing for your own happiness. By the way, I really had so much fun drawing the artwork in this video too. This isn't my original. This is one of my commission work. The fashion is so cute, and I loved painting the dark hues. The whole time I was just thinking, this is fun. After watching this video, I hope you will go and draw something. Do not worry about making it perfect or good. Just focus on having fun. I bet you'll start feeling, "I can't wait to continue this," or "I want to finish this already." Oh, by the way, no matter how much you enjoy drawing, make sure to get enough sleep. It's really important for having fun while creating art. Okay. Wow, I've talked a lot. Well, my channel is still pretty new and I don't have many videos yet, but if you liked this video, please subscribe or write a comment or give me thumbs up. I plan on making more chatty videos like this from time to time. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching until the end. Hopefully see you in the next video. Have a great drawing day. Bye bye.